I'm here today because there's still not too late for people to speak up and be heard on health care. I think we need to send the message that we don't agree with a single-payer system, and I think that's where everything's headed right now.
Health care. Government's getting way too big. They haven't done anything right yet. The stimulus has done nothing. Some health care was in that. And I mean, what has it done? It's done nothing. They want more and more, and then they're only taking it from those that pay. Those that don't are getting the free ride. It's not right.
We are tired of just having things rammed through on us without any chance to vote on it or have any say in it, and so we're here to let our thoughts be known that we are not happy about this health care bill.
I'm scared to death of this health care plan they're trying to put through. So I'm here to sign a petition to stop it if I can.
I have an aneurysm and it's inoperable, but I have a doctor that's the best in 5 states working on it. And if I don't have the MRIs to keep an update on my aneurysm, well, the consequences aren't good. He's researching everything he can, and there's already been some new developments that if Obamacare came in, I wouldn't even be eligible for.
I'm adamantly opposed to the health care plan that includes a public option. I've been a Democrat all my life, and if they approve something like that, I'm going to change.
And the reason I came out today is just to protest this bill that they're trying to ram through Congress on this health care, among other items that you read about. One is the czars that the president is appointing. He's taken over the car industry, the health industry, and all these other items that are going on, and we just don't need that in our country. It needs to be free America.
I'm a firm believer that government needs to stay out of our business.
We're bankrupting the country. I don't want anything to do with nationalized health care. I lived in the UK for 10 years, and in 10 years I got 12 minutes with a doctor. A stethoscope never touched my chest, if you can imagine that. That's what we're headed for if you let these clowns in Congress force this stuff down our throat. Don't let it happen.
Because I pay for my own health care, and I should be able to buy what I want to buy. And I don't want anybody to tell me what I have to take.
Well, I'm against this national health care plan that Obama and his people are putting out. As a senior citizen, I'm exceptionally concerned about the whole thing. You know, it looks like something that's going to put us so much in debt, and they're going to have such a big deficit that it just will be uncontrollable. And I think it's going to affect the overall health care of the country. I just don't see anything good about it. I see some problems with the medical care system. There are some problems, things that can be resolved in a different way.
I am very concerned for freedom, and I don't like the idea of government having control, going towards socialism. So I have really liked Senator Jim DeMint's health care program that would allow a patient to work with doctors.
Well, we've got to show support for our nation and those that love freedom. We don't have freedom right now. It's scary.
I want to protest the government taking over my health care.
I'm just outraged with the way the government is operating right now, rushing through legislation, people not reading what they're voting for, and we have the best health care in the world here in America, and they're just going to trash it and put in something that's not going to work. Go to socialistic type health care that other parts of the world are struggling with. So, I mean, I'm for some health care reform, but not this. Fix what's wrong with our health care system. Don't throw it out and bring in something new that's gonna harm more people than it's gonna help.